everyone. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day and are making some really good trades here as Bitcoin is surging towards the upside here. We are pushing past 96,500. I think we almost hit 97,000. I think we hit 97,000 on certain exchanges here. Maybe on a different one. Looking at 90, yeah, there you go. You hit 97,100, getting a small little pullback here. But the surge could continue higher. Again, lots of people are looking at that 100K level, right? 100K is on the dot, and it's a big psychological level for a lot of people. Also, at the same time, we continue to push higher on multiple time frames here, continuing to erase divergence. In my opinion, I think we're going to continue to erase divergence and extend this wave 3. Now, the thing is we also have to be careful because it's not guaranteed that we're going to get a 4 to 5, and the market could also be playing tricks on us, and maybe it's trying to trap people into this B wave and this C leg back down here on a flat setup. And if that's the case, if this is how it's going to play out, then this is going to be very unfortunate for a lot of people. Now, I still don't think that this is the likely scenario, but I just want to put it out there in case people are looking to short Bitcoin and are looking for short targets. Then the flat area is now down to 83,000 to 79,000. Do I think this is a likely target? No. Given the momentum, the market sentiment, all of that put all together, you got a lot of people who are willing to buy Bitcoin and continue to push this market higher. A lot of people are also looking for a top in the market, myself included, but I think that Bitcoin can diverge and continue to push higher. It is a risk asset, but right now what MicroStrategy is doing, which is continuing to pump Bitcoin and continuing to buy regardless of the price, is getting a lot of people hyped up, and Bitcoin is continuing to push higher. It's getting a lot of people dumbfounded. Some people are still trying to short at these levels, and I just think that we need a big pump higher. I currently long Bitcoin from these levels down here. I told my members to get into some longs before the pump starts, and rightfully so, because the pump is continuing to surge up. And at this point, I think that if you are trying to short, it is a high risk, high reward play, because if you do nail the short and you finally nail the high here, and you wrap it up, then you're gonna get all of this cheddar, right? You're gonna get a 15% drop, is what I'm guessing on this C leg. Now, if you don't get that, then you're gonna have to painfully hold throughout the rest of this pump here. We're only $3,000 away from the target after pumping basically $2,000 a day. This doesn't seem like a tall order for Bitcoin. I think we could easily achieve this either tomorrow or in the coming days. Also, we continue to build bearish divergence here on the daily. Unless it erases, then we're going to extend this wave 3. So as for now, we're putting in the wave 4 here. So a lot of people are putting this wave 4 in here right now and extending the 5th wave. So that's the bullish scenario, and I'm showing you guys the bearish scenario at the same time. So there you go. You got the bullish and you got the bearish. Let's take a look at Market Cipher. Market Cipher is showing us that we still got lots of upside left in green money flow, all bullish dual band strength index numbers. You got the weekly time frame that's I should say not the most bullish because it's an 8 and a 0, but it's still a bullish candle. And then you have the 4-day time frame, which is actually starting to curl in. It's curling in for sure. On the 4-day, you have no red dot yet. The 3-day also curling in. Again, no red dot confirmation just yet. The 2-day confirmed the red dot right here the other day, but again pushed higher because the market is extremely bullish. Like I said, the 12-hour confirmed a green dot here not too long ago, around 90,000. Look where we're at now. We're $5,000 higher. So again, if you would have long Bitcoin, you'd been in some nice gains here from these levels. Taking a look at the 4-hour time frame, again, the momentum waves continuing to extend higher. Will it come to an end? Probably eventually. Yeah, you'll get a pretty decent sized pullback. But is it going to be today? Is it going to be right now? I don't think so. But we'll know soon enough. Either the markets are going to pull back and surprise Bitcoin out of nowhere, and really take out all this leverage here. Just probably lots of people who are getting into some leverage longs, myself included, but I have stops in place to in case this thing does start to reverse, right? Let's take a look at the daily time frame on markets, not market cipher, wave edge. Again, smart money took a little bit of profit here, right around 91,200, but the price continues to go higher. I told you guys that this is probably just a little bit of profit taking along the way up. 1 hour time frame, nothing new here, nothing really going on. No smart money buying, no smart money selling. Actually, I was checking the 1 minute earlier, and we saw smart money buying the dip here back down to 94,000. They took this as an opportunity to go along, and look where the price has gone up. The price has rallied $2,000 higher since then. So I guess this was a good dip buy from smart money as per usual. You guys can get this indicator with the link in the description. Again, just take it with a grain of salt. It's not always 100%, and you need to know how to use the indicator. People think it's like a guaranteed reversal sign. Not at all. All right, so let's dive into a few more charts here. We'll take a look at a few other things. So right now, Bitcoin continues to push higher, but the dollar is also surging higher, which is very interesting because I think the dollar needs a pullback here. Now, is Bitcoin going to go ballistic towards the upside? If the dollar gets a big drop towards the downside, it's going to be interesting because right now, Bitcoin's been going up with the dollar. The dollar is supposed to be weakening and Bitcoin is supposed to be strengthening, but we have a strengthening dollar and a strengthening Bitcoin. One or the other is going to break eventually. Anyways, if you guys want to get access to my trades, the link's in the description. I still think there's lots of upside left for Bitcoin, but again, don't be surprised if we get these big pullbacks along the way. And again, I illustrated some dip buy areas. If we do get a major pullback, it's going to be between 83,000 to 79,000. Have a wonderful day, guys. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.